Welcome back to the Morning Brew right here on CNC3, guys. Well, joining me on set, we have with us the CEO of the TNT Chamber of Commerce, Mr. Gabriel Faria, and Jamaica High Commissioner to TNT, Mr. David Prendergast. Gentlemen, good morning and welcome.
Good morning, Jesse. Thank you.
And we're speaking a trade mission to Jamaica.
Yes.
And Mr. Prendergast, what are some of the characteristics that makes Jamaica the preferred choice for investors' business?
Well, the government of Jamaica is fully committed to providing a stable economic and enabling environment for investors. Trade with Trinidad and Tobago and trade relations are a priority for the government of Jamaica in line with our trade policy and our Vision 2030, which aims at making Jamaica the place to live, work, and do business. Plus, we have had good macroeconomic fundamentals. We have had 1.8% growth in the last quarter, April to June. The projection for 2018 to 2019 is 2 to 2.5%. We have a friendly business environment. Jamaica is service-oriented. We have had our inflation rate has gone down and also our interest rates, and we have had 14 consecutive quarters of positive growth.
What are the top sectors attracting investment in Jamaica?
Agriculture, infrastructural development, logistics, mining, manufacturing, tourism,
of course,
which is one of our major earners.
As if I'm bringing you into the conversation now, what benefit would businesses get out of participating in this TNT Chamber-led trade mission?
Well, the one thing we have been doing is working very closely with the High Commission and with the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce. And what we have been doing is looking at markets. Last year we went to Guyana, which has about 700,000 people. Jamaica has the highest speaking population in the English-speaking Caribbean. It is a high consumption market. A lot of Trinidad companies have been doing business in Jamaica for years. I actually lived in Jamaica 30 years ago in 1988. And we saw a lot of new companies that are looking at Jamaica as an opportunity. What Jamaica offers also is they are a logistics hub. They're building a logistics hub in the region. So companies that want to export is, of course, one opportunity, but investment is another. And many companies have relationships for the CARICOM region, or for the Caribbean region and Latin America. Jamaica offers an opportunity for companies that are looking to service that entire region to operate or to use Jamaica as a hub.
Mr. Prendergast, what are some of the hidden gems in the Jamaican economy which investors should consider?
Well, as I said, we have a positive rating. We have an omnibus non-discriminatory tax regime where investors can benefit from corporate income tax. We have a stable democracy. We also have solid supportive infrastructure. In fact, in Jamaica, it takes 3 days to start a business. Next day for incorporation, so you can register your business, register for tax registration number.
That is
register for
ease of doing business.
Yes. In fact, in the ease of doing business, we are number 70 of 190, and we have the highest rank in the Caribbean region in terms of doing business. You can pay your taxes online. You have access to loans and grants, banks, building societies, the Development Bank. And in the Global Competitive Index rank, it's 70 of 137. That's the highest in the Caribbean region. So these are some of the things that investors can benefit from in Jamaica. And I meant to say before that business process outsourcing is one of our major areas that's ripe for investment. Telesales, customer service, call centers, and we are known for the best customer service in Jamaica, in the Caribbean region.
What changes have taken place in the landscape that have improved the business environment for the private sector?
Well, the enabling environment created by the government, the thrust towards public-private partnerships. This is a fundamental aspect of our landscape. And so we've had public-private partnerships in renewable energy, in road and infrastructure upgrading. So the environment created by the government has facilitated the investment and trade for Jamaica.
Mr. Faria, in keeping with mutually beneficial thrusts of the trade mission, what are some ways in which TNT businesses can collaborate to engage with Jamaican companies?
Well, one of the benefits of going on a mission with the Chamber is that we actually will set up meetings. So you will give us profiles of your potential customers, and we'll set up the meetings. What it does, it allows you to go to Jamaica and be most efficient with your time. We are promising that when customers get into Jamaica, by working with the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce, by working with the High Commission, we're going to target, based on who's visiting, the right potential partners. So if you want to export, and when we look at Jamaica, Trinidad has been doing trade with Jamaica for years because of leather consumption. People have invested. In fact, what we're seeing now, while people have invested in Jamaica quite heavily, we're seeing now that Jamaica is also invested heavily in Trinidad. So the Chamber is about really building business bonds. And we have seen a lot of cross-trade between Jamaica and Trinidad, both ways.
So it's not intended to be a one-way street, because the trade mission, it's mutual. Yeah. And the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce, that's one of their objectives, to have mutually beneficial deal-making when they go for the trade mission. And they hope that as a result, the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce will be able to bring a trade mission here sometime next year. So we see the trade mission as something in it for either side, and not a one-way flow. Correct. And as the Chamber of Commerce, when they approached us, they spoke about ICT, they spoke about